Have you ever wondered about the origins of the universe? It's a question that has intrigued humanity since time immemorial, sparking countless debates and inspiring a myriad of theories. Every culture, every religion has its own unique interpretation of how the universe came into being. From the Big Bang theory, to the belief in a divine creator, to the concept of cosmic eggs, the possibilities are as diverse as they are fascinating. In the midst of these varied explanations lies a philosophy known as Sanatana Dharma, often identified with Hinduism. This ancient tradition presents a unique perspective on the creation of the universe, one that is deeply rooted in spirituality, symbolism, and the cyclical nature of existence. Today, we delve into the Hindu perspective, a tale as old as time itself. So, let's embark on this journey together, discovering the mysteries of the universe through the lens of Sanatana Dharma. Sanatana Dharma, often known as Hinduism, possesses a profound understanding of the universe's creation. The term Sanatana Dharma is a Sanskrit phrase that translates to eternal truth or eternal law. This concept is not merely a religion, it is a comprehensive way of life, a guiding philosophy that shapes every aspect of a person's existence. It's a spiritual tradition that has been passed down through the ages, with its roots deeply embedded in the Indian subcontinent. Now, let's delve into its relevance and significance in Hinduism. Sanatana Dharma is the very bedrock of Hindu philosophy. It's the core around which all the teachings, rituals, and practices revolve. It encapsulates the fundamental truths about life, the universe, and everything in between. It teaches individuals to lead a life of righteousness, to perform their duties diligently, and to strive for spiritual enlightenment. The most fascinating aspect of Sanatana Dharma is its unique perspective on the creation of the universe. Unlike many belief systems that view creation as a linear process, with a clear beginning and an end, Hinduism perceives it as a cyclical process. This cyclical view of the universe is deeply ingrained in Hindu cosmology. Imagine a circle with no beginning and no end. This is how Hinduism views the universe. It's an endless cycle of birth, life, death, and rebirth. The universe, according to this philosophy, is not a one-time creation. It goes through endless cycles of creation, preservation, and destruction, each phase paving the way for the next. This cyclical nature of the universe is a reflection of the eternal truths that Sanatana Dharma upholds. In essence, the universe is seen as an ever-changing, ever-evolving entity, mirroring the eternal rhythm of life itself. It's a dance of energy, matter, and consciousness, orchestrated by the cosmic laws that govern existence. According to Sanatana Dharma, the universe undergoes endless cycles of creation, preservation, and destruction. This cyclical view of the universe is not just a philosophical concept, but a profound understanding of the nature of existence itself. The story commences with a cosmic egg known as Hiranyagarbha. Now, what is Hiranyagarbha, you might ask? In the ancient scriptures of Hinduism, the Vedas, and the Upanishads, Hiranyagarbha is referred to as the golden womb, the universal germ, or the cosmic egg. It represents the source of all matter and life, the seed of the universe, if you will. Imagine a giant golden egg floating in the boundless cosmic ocean, containing within it the potential for all creation. Now, let's delve deeper into this fascinating concept. The term Hiranyagarbha is derived from two Sanskrit words, Hiranya, which means golden or radiant, and Garbha, which translates to womb or source. So, in essence, it signifies a radiant source or a golden womb from which the universe was born. A powerful image, isn't it? But the cosmic egg doesn't remain dormant. From this golden womb, something extraordinary happens. Brahma, the creator, emerges. In Hinduism, Brahma is one of the Holy Trinity, the Trimurti, which consists of Brahma the creator, Vishnu the preserver, and Shiva the destroyer. Brahma's role in this trinity is to create the universe and all living beings. In the scriptures, it is said that Brahma, the creator, was born from the cosmic egg, and it was he who gave birth to the universe. Brahma is often depicted as a four-headed deity, symbolizing the four Vedas, the ancient Hindu scriptures that contain all knowledge of the universe. His four faces also represent the four cardinal directions, indicating his omnipresence. So, the cosmic egg Hiranyagarbha is not just a symbol, it's a representation of the primal source of all creation. It's the womb from which the universe was born and the place from which Brahma, the creator, emerged. It's the beginning of everything, the starting point of creation, the genesis of life itself. From this golden womb, Brahma, the creator, emerges, marking the dawn of creation. In Hinduism, the universe operates in a cycle known as the Mahayuga. This great cycle is a profound concept that encapsulates the cosmic dance of creation, sustenance, and dissolution. It's a cyclical journey, a rhythm that the universe dances to, time and again. The Mahayuga comprises four distinct ages, or yugas: Satya, Treta, Dwapara, and Kali. Each of these yugas represents a different stage in the moral and spiritual decline of the universe. Imagine the Mahayuga as a magnificent four-act play, with each act unveiling a new scene of cosmic drama. Our journey begins with the Satya Yuga, often termed the Age of Truth. It's a golden era where righteousness reigns supreme and spiritual practices flourish. Virtue is at its zenith, and beings live in harmony, uncorrupted by vice. As the curtain falls on the Satya Yuga, we enter the Treta Yuga. Though virtue still dominates, it diminishes slightly, giving space for unrighteousness to creep in. This is an age of great kings and epic wars, where the balance between good and evil begins to tilt. Next unfolds the Dwapara Yuga, an era of further moral decline. Here, virtue and vice are on an equal footing. Discord starts to take root, and the world becomes a stage for the struggle between righteousness and unrighteousness. Finally, we arrive at the Kali Yuga, the age we're currently living in. It's the age of darkness and ignorance. Virtue is at its lowest ebb, and vice has the upper hand. It's a time of strife, conflict, and spiritual degradation. Yet, as dark as it gets, every ending is but a prelude to a new beginning. At the end of the Kali Yuga, the universe dissolves, only to be reborn again. It's a cyclic dance of the cosmos, a rhythm that echoes the eternal truth of Sanatana Dharma, that which is eternally present, ever-changing, and yet unchanging. And so the cycle of the universe continues in a cosmic ballet of creation, sustenance, and dissolution. As with all things in Hinduism, the end is but a new beginning. The notion of an absolute end is alien to the Hindu philosophy. Instead, we find the concept of pralaya, the dissolution of the universe. Pralaya isn't about annihilation, it's about transformation. It's the moment when the universe as we know it dissolves into the cosmic ocean of consciousness. But even in this dissolution, there's an inherent promise of rebirth, a new beginning. Imagine, if you will, a grand cosmic dance. Each twirl, each leap, each pause is part of a rhythm that spans eons. The performers, the forces of creation, preservation, and destruction. When the dance of destruction reaches its crescendo, the universe dissolves, marking the start of pralaya. But this is no arbitrary destruction. It's a purposeful reset, a clearing of the cosmic stage for the next performance. When the last echoes of the dance of destruction fade away, the universe doesn't stay in its state of dissolution. Instead, it's time for the dance of creation to begin anew. The energy that once formed galaxies, stars, and planets is never lost. It simply changes form, waiting for the right moment to burst forth in a new cycle of creation. This cyclical view of the universe mirrors the cycles we see in nature. The changing of seasons, the ebb and flow of tides, the rhythm of day and night. Just as a seed, after its death in the winter, springs forth as a new plant in the spring, so too does the universe after pralaya. It's a cycle of transformation, not of birth and death, but rebirth and renewal. Thus, the cycle of creation, preservation, and destruction continues, an eternal dance of cosmic energy. And in this dance, we find a profound wisdom, that endings are not to be feared, but embraced as heralds of new beginnings. That dissolution is not about oblivion but transformation, that every end is indeed a new beginning. So, how does Hinduism see the creation of the universe? In the Hindu perspective, the universe's creation is not a singular event, but an endless cycle of birth, existence, and dissolution. This cyclical nature is encapsulated in the concept of the Maha Yuga, a cosmic epoch that includes 4 ages or yugas, each with its distinctive characteristics and duration. The universe's birth begins with the cosmic egg, or Brahmanda, a seed of cosmic energy from which the universe emerges. Various deities play significant roles in this cosmic drama. Brahma, the creator, breathes life into the universe. Vishnu, the preserver, maintains the cosmic order, and Shiva, the destroyer, brings about the dissolution, only for the cycle to begin anew. This cyclical view of creation underscores the transience of existence and the eternal dance of creation and dissolution. In the grand scheme of Sanatana Dharma, the universe is an everlasting cycle of birth, existence, and dissolution.